System errors causing the Hpboid library DLL crashes in HP. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the gap and automate the repair. Before we dive into the Hpboid library troubleshooting, a resource for system environment optimization is available below. This is the Hpboid library, a specialized HP printer object discovery library. It uses unmanaged SNMP, Simple Network Management Protocol, or USB descriptors to identify specific hardware features of HP printers. It facilitates the data link for driver-specific orchestration manifests in HP management software. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. Hpboid is maintained by Windows itself. Run the system file checker by typing sfc/scannow in an elevated command prompt to detect and repair system-level file issues. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes reestablish a broken link to the Hpboid library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Restarting is our first line of defense. Since that didn't clear it, we'll dive into more specific settings in step 3, and if you need to pause the video to catch up, go right ahead. Because a standard update didn't solve the issue, you must perform a manual driver reset, and you should use the display driver uninstaller, also known as the DDU utility, to clear out your current graphics configuration. Once your PC restarts, you can install a fresh driver package to ensure all GPU-related files, like your DLL file, are correctly registered. Why are we doing this? Well, graphics drivers rely on complex registry indexing, and a fresh installation following a DDU wipe forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the necessary libraries. For a clean and stable recovery, it's important to stay within verified developer ecosystems. Please use caution. Replacing Hpboid library DLL manually often requires elevated permissions that, if mishandled, can leave your system architecture vulnerable to external exploits. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. To minimize background load and improve stability, the diagnostic kit linked in the description includes Hpboid library documentation. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped Hpboid library workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.